Silly duck, let me see. Cool. Who are we gonna go meet?
Spidey!
Spidey, let's go. All right, so we're gonna go meet Spidey, right?
The princesses.
And then the princesses, are you gonna get them big hugs?
Yeah, two.
2 big hugs. All right, let's go. Take it from my hands and try it. That's a churro waffle. Isn't that good? Do you want some of this? We got a quick room service snack, right?
Wow. Cheese.
What's on there? Cheese. What else?
Spicy cheese.
Some spicy cheese.
For Daddy.
For Daddy. What else? We have some dried fruit, some grapes, got some juice, and then they gave us some crackers. So we got these on the treasure, and they had like, leave that down there. I'll pick it up. They had like real crackers on them. Like club crackers and things like that. They just gave us saltines, which is kind of weird.
Yes,
don't love that. And it also took,
Here we go, Mommy.
it took what, like an hour to get our cheese platter? It took almost an hour just to call into them, and then even longer to get it. So not
Here,
super
Mommy,
thrilled
a bite?
with that option right now.
Want a bite?
You guys can have this dried fruit right here.
Here, Callen.
That's nice.
boy. That's a super big boy.
You want to go splash splash one more time?
Yes, Mom.
You want to do some Mia vision? Hold the camera. Talk to the camera. Come on. Say hey, camera friends.
Hey, camera friends. We're going to business. And let's back.
It's been an ants feast of the Lion King. But the
See you later.
Go. Go. Say Santa told me. Look. What's that? Do you want to go play? Let's go. Let's take our shoes off over here, okay? Spending our last night the right way. Go, go, go! Go, go, do it again.
Hey, I'm going to do it again.
Do it again. Whoa! We are skipping dinner tonight and enjoying the splash pad because why not? The sun is setting in the background. The kids are having a blast.
Yeah, me.
And Callen finally mastered this slide all by himself. So I'm just relaxing. All I need is a cold drink and we'll be good to go. Say hi. We just finished up the splash pad. We stayed till it closed at 6 o'clock. And yeah, Mama and Callen. And now we're splashing around in this little pool. Callen's not actually allowed in the pool because it's for potty trained kids only, but Mia's loving it. And we're waiting for Justin to come up and meet us, and we're gonna grab some late dinner at Festival of Foods. Are you hungry?
I want to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want some chicken tenders and Frenchy fries?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll probably go get some Festival of Foods. We skipped dinner. It was at 1923, and the kids just are not at a point where it makes sense to do the sit-down dinners with them sometimes, and we experienced them in full on the Treasure in August. We did all of them every night. So this time we've just kind of been chilling, and it's been really nice. We've just been enjoying like the buffet, the Festival of Foods, some room service, which was not the best experience. We waited on hold for that room service for almost an hour, and we were really looking forward to the cheese platters because we had them on the Treasure and they were fantastic. And it was the same thing on the menu, but it was not the same thing. Like the ones on the Treasure came with really good fresh cheese. They had club crackers and like wheat thin type crackers. These had like packs of saltines, and the cheese was kind of hard and crusty, and it took forever to get there. It just wasn't the same. Mia, nope. Once you get out, we're done. So anyway, yeah, not the best room service experience. We were thinking about getting some more later tonight after the kids go to bed because we used to love doing that. We really loved doing that when we were on the Treasure, getting some room service and just chilling in bed once the kids were asleep and watching a movie. But after that experience, we might just like take some buffet food back or something. I'm not sure. It wasn't like the best, but so as soon as Justin gets here, we're gonna get some dinner for our last night, and then we're gonna head back to our stateroom and pack up. We're doing the express walk-off tomorrow, so we're not checking our bags with Disney because we parked at the port and we want to just be able to get right into our car and head to Hilton Head. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna head right to Hilton Head and continue our trip there for our last night. Can you dance like a princess in the water? Under the fountain? Like Moana? Say, away, away. I'll set a course to find. We went to Festival Foods and only the Goonies Grill was open, so we got to get some chicken tenders and french fries. Justin and I might get some room service later, but we weren't super hungry. And now we are watching a movie on Funnel Vision and just hanging out. What's Daddy got? Mommy's gonna share with you.